daw niya kasi mait siya. Mait siya ng banana. Oh, yehey! Kumain na siya ng banana. Opo, o yan o ha. Diyan lang yan hanggat sa maubos yung kalahating banana ha. Bigyan pa ng water. Dali na kasi nakikita ka ni Tita Mina oh. Sabi niya, tingnan ko nga kung kakain si Ashley. Dali na.
Love you, Papa. Love you. Mommy and Daddy.
Love you more.
Love you, my Mommy and Daddy. Love lang.
Dali na, kasi tinitingnan ka oh. Yehey! Kumakain na po siya ng banana, guys. Kahit pa kunti-kunti lang, at least kumain na siya. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Nag-i-eat na siya ng banana. Dali na kaya, haba yan na video natin. Hindi ka pa finish kumain ng kalahating banana. Yehey! Yehey! Baba mo nga, paano ka magbalat ng banana? Dali, pakita mo nga kay mama. Pakita mo sa kanila. Yehey! Thank you, Lord.
I don't know, but we are going to figure it out. Who's going to be a vampire? I go first. Oh, I got the apple juice.
You're so lucky. Let's see if I turn into a vampire. That was good. I got the vaccine. He's going to turn into a vampire. Fresh air gets speed, and Leslie gets Ronaldo.
Dali na kasi nag-aantay sila na maubos mo. Ha?
Guys, I'm scared.
I don't know, but we are going to figure it out.
Naku, ang daming commercial.
I go first.
Kailan na maubos mo yung banana? Ay,
I don't know, but we are going to figure it out.
paantayin kita.
Banana na.
Oh, I got the apple juice.
Mami, lagi na yung balat na small. Hindi ko na kaya hawakin.
Ay, Diyos niya, Marimar.
Is a banana? Why is that my banana?
Ano? Mahulog si mama.
Bakit?
Ang bagal. Bagal mag-eat. Donut?
Apo.
Sige, ubusin mo yan.
Tama na, ayoko na.
Ay, nakikita ka.